Today we're going to fly a plane without hitting anybody, and my name is Captain Patrick.
Nice to see you, Captain Patrick, in this video.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, we're going to fly the plane, but some planes go really slow, like real slow. And it says on the sides, I'm going to write the numbers first. 575, and it says us Air Force. And you expect to see jurors for the pilot and for the people that are riding it and for the bags. You see right here? Here are the doors for the bags at the end. And you expect seeing a star on both sides. And the eyes on both sides, and windows on both sides, and the numbers on both sides. Now look, some planes go like this. When it's about to start, like it's down here, and if it stops, that means it's going to go really fast and take off like this. It has to do this. The wheel has to go up, and look how slow it goes. Some planes go like fast, like I told you. And let me show you the bottom first. The sides. The front, you expect seeing the front like a nose, and the back, you expect seeing wings on the sides, 2 wings, and some propellers for the wind to go, and at the top. Let me show you the top. And you expect seeing this up because all planes need that. So planes do not fly in. Airplanes fly outside, but pretend planes like toys. Pretend airplanes go indoors, sometimes outside. That's fine with you. And goodbye. And don't forget, my name is Captain Patrick. Do you know? And don't forget about it. Goodbye.
Bye.